Hello, my name is Anthony. I got my new business shirt on. On my black PVC pants. I look good with this my new silky satin red shirt. Satin shirt. Looks good, very silky. I got more coming from eBay as well. And other side AliExpress is very silky and nice. It looks very good. The satin material is very nice. It's my new business shirt. Anthony Gabby Piece Build Company website design. I'm about to build website design websites for other people or me first. Okay, that's how it works. It is. There'll be a 2 minute and 30 minute video. 2 minutes and 30-second video. Yeah, that'll be good too. Because I like this silk satin t-shirt. I got it from AliExpress for $22. So I got getting white blue on the way now soon because it's nice. It's nice, silky and milky, sassy. Nice like the other girls as well. It's good. It look nice in a business outfit shirt and black PVC pants. Yeah, do you like my PVC pants? Black PVC? Oh yeah, looks nice. Looks nice, my black PVC pants. So I can, if it get hot, I won't take them off, just lay them on and sweat it until it get hot. I can have a shower or a spa in California. Or my jacuzzi in the spa bath. It's nice, this silk satin shirt. I look good in this silk satin shirt. Let's do a 12 one. Let's do a lot. That silk satin shirt from my Anthony Gave Me Piece of Build business shirt. I like men's silk shirts, but women's are better. Silk shirts. You can get very silky in this. Sassy. Okay. I gotta go soon. Stay silky, stay satin, stay sassy. And this is my new Get Me Visible Company business shirt as well. It's a good shirt. I like this one. If you have any more questions, ask me anything. Anthony Gaming PC Build Company, project website design. That's my new name. Just trying it out. It's not real for now. Just a monthly test. I better go now. I do a silky one. Yeah, this is my business pants. Goodbye. Ciao.